Planning a trip to Singapore? Here's your quick and easy guide to submitting the SG Arrival Card in 2025, what it is, who needs it, and how to fill it out in under 4 minutes. You'll need to complete the SG Arrival Card before you land. No paper forms, no hassle. The SG Arrival Card is an online declaration form you need to submit before entering Singapore. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to fill it out quickly and easily. What is the SG Arrival Card? The SG Arrival Card is a mandatory electronic submission for most travelers entering Singapore. It replaces the old paper immigration form and includes your personal details, trip info, and a health declaration. Important, this is not a visa. If you need a visa to enter Singapore, you still need to apply for that separately. Who needs it? Almost all air and sea travelers must fill this out, whether you're visiting for tourism, business, or family. If you're just transiting through Singapore or entering via land checkpoints as a citizen or PR, you're exempt. When should you submit? You can submit your SG Arrival Card up to 3 days before you arrive. So, if your flight lands on April 24th, submit it anytime from April 22nd onward. Step-by-step submission guide. Alright, let's walk through how to fill it out in under 4 minutes. Step 1. Go to eservices.ica.gov.sg/SGArrivalCard or download the MyICA app. Step 2. Click on Foreign Visitors. Then click on SG Arrival Card and then on either individual submission or group submission, if you are in group or family. Step 3. Then fill in your full name as in passport, passport number and expiry nationality. Or if you are using mobile MyICA app, you can scan your passport for easy entry. Then insert your flight details and arrival date, accommodation in Singapore. Step 4. Complete the health declaration. Simple sum yes/no questions on recent illnesses or travel history. Step 5. Review everything before you hit submit, and you're done. You'll get an email with a PDF or QR code. Save it to your phone or print it. You might need to show it during immigration. Quick reminders: don't pay third-party websites. The SG Arrival Card is 100% free on ICA's official site or from app. Register everyone. 1 card per traveler, including kids. Double-check your passport number and arrival date. That's it. Super quick and totally free. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment if you've got questions. Have an amazing time in Singapore.